What's going on, YouTube? There's my Beamer. It's my boy Chris's Beamer. Do a little test drive today. He's probably got the most insane car in the area, honestly. So many like mods, and it's a 1 series, so
pretty unique, man.
super unique.
Oh, yeah.
Super unique, and you can see you got the M54 logo wheel. Like,
yeah.
That's sweet.
Yeah, I still gotta clean the wheel. It's kind of dirty, but you know.
It's all repairable. I mean, other than that, bro, your car's so like just clean condition. Like, it's insane.
You just pull up NHD here so we can just monitor everything.
Yeah. Make sure you monitor. I'm not gonna go that.
Yeah, not sure though. You can do whatever. Everything looks good actually. You just put this shit here. Jesus.
Does that work on my engine too if I wanted to? Is that overkill? Because I need to see my oil temp.
Yeah, it works on the M82. Yeah, it should work on yours, bro. So yeah, it shows the boost. You can change it to like whatever you want, but
I'll just keep it the way it is right now, bro. I don't want to.
The oil tank 207.
Yeah, like that's sweet. How much is that?
207 oil tank?
No, the is that MHD? Like it plugs in the OBD.
Yeah. So yeah, you put it in the OBD.
Yeah, show that right there.
And you just buy the licenses.
The burbles. Yeah, this car is so sweet, guys. How does it feel like just in the automatic?
Oh,
you
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
It's just really low. It sounds really deep. Like.
Yeah, I think it's better than just manual. You can probably change that. I know it's like shift adaptions or something. My goodness. This thing just sounds, feels like really nice.
You can go crazy too, man.
Gotta keep it tame for the tube. Gotta keep it tame. But guys, like, the best way to describe it is ultimate driving machine, because this is dual clutch, right? Like, I mean, it has to be, because we have the same gear cars. Mine's a 6-speed. Does this go to 7, or it only goes to 6?
It only goes to 6 apparently.
It's probably just software.
I have no idea.
No, but this shifts way faster than my
I thought it was a tune because the dual clutch usually has 7 gears, but I went to the BMW shop, so I was like, is this a DCT or auto? And they're like, I mean, it doesn't have 7 gears, but the way it's shifting, it can be a tune, but they're like it's just like a stock dual clutch, so they don't know if it's a tune or a dual clutch, so I just said, alright, I guess it's dual clutch.
It's gotta be dual clutch, bro. I have the same trans and does not shift that quick. And I think it shifts pretty quick. Like the one I got, 6-speed too, but I press the button and it's like next gear already. Insane. Absolutely nuts, guys. I mean, oh my gosh. And you're looking at a resonator delete, right?
Yeah, no, I'm looking at getting a vibrant resonator.
Or a vibrant resonator.
It's a bit raspy, but I have my old setup still in my truck, not catted down pipes.
Yeah.
And they were not raspy at all. Like I showed you a video clip of it. It was very toned, though. I wanted it to be a little bit louder, so I took out the cats.
Yeah. Yeah, no, this car feels so good, dude. It's crazy. It's insane. I just like the 1 series feeling, because this feels way more like in control than my 3, because like the 3 feels just bigger.
Definitely, bro. Like that's low-key why I wanted the 1 series. It's just the perfect size.
It really is, guys. Like, honestly, this is definitely a driver's car. Like
100%.
100%, bro. Like just the way I feel like just the control of the back and the front, like so like equal. Cause mine feels more
Yeah.
rear heavy. Actually, it's kind of equal, but it just feels like more heavy. Like this feels just way lighter in the corners and stuff. Feels good.
Oh yeah, bro. When you get on a good road, you can feel it tall too.
Yeah, this is like a pretty good road. I like this one. Yeah, guys, like just look at the shifts. Like as soon as my button presses that, or my hand presses the button, it's just instant. Yeah, you can definitely feel that boost. I mean, there's no lag because it's twin turbo, right? Like that is that the yeah, like that's the perks of twin turbo.
That's what I like about the twins. You get the power low.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice, bro. Like this shit is nice. Different experience with that exhaust setup, man. I need to get that because mine's so stock. Like, no, there's like no sound really.
You can sound with the muffler, dude. They sound pretty good. They sound good with the muffler, dude.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go see my boy Top Muffler or something. No, it's not. It wasn't. It had a ski rack on it. They probably like this car, honestly. They're hip.
Pulled over, man. They love this car.
Yeah. They like BMWs. I mean.
Come on. Why they had their door open when people are?
Yeah, that's I don't understand that. Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. It's that instant shift though, bro, is insane. Absolutely nuts.
If you feather the gas, you can get the turbos in. Like if you're past like 3K RPM, you'll be crazy.
Feels so smooth. That twin turbo, man. Oh my goodness. Definitely a different feeling than my stock like NA engine, because like you gotta like its power's always there, but it's just like this is just the way it delivers, and this is so much like feels more efficient, honestly. Just like this feels good.
Bro, with traction, it's not the same at all. I swear, man.
Yeah, no, I'm hip because they just don't want you to lose like they don't want you to spin the tires at all, basically.
Well, I think there's speed cameras here. Oh yeah, right there.
Yeah,
Dude,
guys.
You can go like 40, 35. You shouldn't. Yeah.
Let's go 30. Just to be safe.
Mexico's stepping up their game, guys.
Yeah. Yeah, they always say that in Mexico. Oh man, this thing's sweet. I'll just like turn around right here. It's a nice little road right here. And I could just like switch off down here.
Yeah, because I know, like, I don't know why. When I drive it, like, it pops on that shift, though. I don't know what I do to make it do that.
Yeah, bro, that's not no that's not a tune on the trans, bro. That's dual clutch, bro. That's like, it's like, it's just like goes up real fast. Like, yeah, no, this is a sweet car, man. Jeez. But when's the last time you got an alignment though?
I never even thought of getting an alignment, honestly.
I highly recommend it, bro. I think it's not like it's bad. It's just like, I'm telling you, like, it's just, it's a difference.
I never felt anything odd with the steering though.
No, it's not bad at all. I'm just telling you, like, get the, it helps, yeah.